So hi guys, it's been a pretty long gap which we did a video on the exams, competitive exams and government exams and bank exams, video related to these exams. So I took just a small gap because the things that we were working out and all. So today we're going to learn about. I would say that the pattern which we are going to means. We thought that there should be a pattern which we need to teach to the any candidate or any student who look into our video, right? So we thought of doing something which is much more in a different way. I would say that it will be in a different way which we have done in our previous videos and all. So here the first thing is that I thought of teaching the basic or the nominal thing which we encounter in an exam, that is relationship problems or the analogy problems. So the first part is that we're going to learn about we're going to solve some of the problems. These are the you when you read the problem itself, you'll be able to grasp it out or you'll be able to solve it like this. So first one is that bulb, candle, motor car. What is next? Means the fourth one, the combination. So what does it indicate? Whenever you're gonna encounter a problem or something like that, like this. So you need to see the relation. Okay, bulb and candle, how they are related to. You need to see that candle was in the prehistoric era, or not in the prehistoric. It was not in the modern era. We still use candles, but bulbs are the inventions of the 20th century, right? So 19th, something like that, 1900, something like that. So motor car, what does it relate to? It relates to transportation. So in the given options, what will be the suitable option which will have a which will be the same plane as motor car? That it is it mobile oil? No. Motorcycle? No. Bullock cart, scooter, aeroplane. All these options, apart from bullock cart, all these are the modern inventions, right? So bullet cart is the one which goes in plane with the cushion, right? Whatever the cushion they have asked. Bulb, candle and bulb. Okay. The same way, bullock cart and motor car. That's how it validates to. So the next question is that horse head if find out means question mark. Wool, fur, lambkin, milk, meat. The answer will be A, because if you see means you need to see you need to be familiar with the whatever the means genders of the all the animal kingdom, right? So then you'll be able to grasp the question and find out an answer within seconds and all. So the first one is that horse have a. What is Eve? Eve is nothing but a female sheep. So what will the sheep has? What will the sheep have? Right? It has wool, right? We some of them means also people might use wool sweaters and all those things. So Eve is nothing but female sheep. So the right answer will be wool. The next one is that water, ocean, and air equals to what? Sky, moon, atmosphere, ocean, land. So the right answer will be C. The analogy behind this one is that so ocean is full of water, atmosphere is full of air, like that. You might gonna say that sky is full of air. Sky is not full of air. In that context, what the question interprets and what does the meaning it finally comes out. So that's what the answer should be, right? Ocean is full of water, so atmosphere is full of air, something like that. So the next one is that carpenter, wood, tailor. Sorry for the repeated tabs. Uh, Carpenter, wood, tailor results to what? Furniture, dress, cloth, textile, sewing. Right. The answer will be dress. Carpenter works on the wood. So tailor, he works on the dress. Right. Means he will stitch or sew or whatever. He works on the dress part, right? So the next one is that book, author, newspaper, library, printing press, reporter, editor, magazine. Here it's a tricky question. It's kind of a, you might see that reporter and editor are they're in the same plane, right? To how reporter also writes a column or something like that, you might not think like that, but the thing is that book, it's finalized and completely written and controlled by author, and newspaper it will be controlled by editor. In that context you need to see. If you're gonna see in terms of reporters might gonna report, but they're not going to control or write, right? There are certain times that copywriters will write and something like that, so that might not happen. So the right answer will be editor, as I have told you. So the next question is that March is the next. This is a pattern. We are done with the things which with finding out the X, or finding the unknown in the combination part. Now we'll be moving into uh, the pattern. We're going to change that pattern analogy part. So the next one is that March is to year as summer is to what. So these are the questions which are going to turn up in an exam. So the right answer will be season. So March. So there I have left out a letter. Okay. So March is to year, means in a year March will be one of the months, right? So summer will be, it will come, it is one of the seasons. It comes in one of the part of the seasons, right? So the answer will be season. I left out I beg the pardon, because I have left out a letter, so you guys might have got it confused or something like that. March, that's what. Year is a cluster. March is one of them. Season is a cluster, and summer is one of them. That's what it is. So the next one is that kangaroo is related to Australia, and in the same way giraffe. Most of you guys might be knowing this is silly question, something like that. Sometimes we even uh, go wrong with in our hurriness or in our anticipation, and we want to answer and all those things. We might gonna put a wrong answer. The answer will be Africa, because you know that, right? The complete African regions and the kind of forest and all. Giraffe is mostly found in the African part. So the next one is that watch is related to second in the same way as calendar. So this one I thought of not writing an answer, because it is a day-to-day thing, and we might be able to figure it out by ourselves. The right answer will be a day, right? So the it is nothing but the answer or the solution or the reason behind it is second is the smallest unit which can measure in a watch, right? Seconds, minute, hour. It's all related to second is a unit. So in the same way, day will be the unit of the calendar, not the month, not the year, not the date, not the week. So day is the unit. So the next one is that what is related to flower in the same way as sentence related to what. This is a pattern, right? This is why I chose this as one. This as one of the questions is that the pattern has changed. Means starting you used to get the relationship, right? Relationship. What if the thing is they have asked in a, I would say that passive way, right? Because see, if there was a I would say that there was a pattern, like a sentence related to what is related to flower. So it will be the same way, but suddenly the pattern has changed. The question remains the same, the relationship remains the same, right? So the question is that what is related to flower in the same way as sentence related to word, right? So sentence and word, what forms a sentence, means what is it about, what is the sentence is about. Sentence is full of words, right? It is full of words. It remains a cluster of words. In the same way, what is the cluster of flower is called? Cluster of flower is called garland, right? It's garland. So suddenly we might gonna see the way we need to see here. You might gonna even garden certain times. It does not relate to cluster of flowers, right? So cluster of flowers are the group of flowers. It's garland, something like that. So tree truffle. This might pose as a I would say that's a tricky question, but it is not. You need to be in the line, and that I have been saying this from a very long time, that read between the lines. So you're gonna be in the line. Means that's what the motto is. If you read between the lines, then you'll be in the line. So that's what we should do, right? So country is related to president in the same way as state is related to. So this is a tricky thing, right? Means it is a kind of tricky, not tricky, right? So country is related to president. In our country, president, prime minister holds the highest power, and president is who looks after the country, something like that. So in the same way, what does in a state, who runs that, the same logic, right? The same logic as the prime minister and the president kind of stuff. Is it the state minister? Is it the prime minister? Is it the governor or the chief minister or the lieutenant governor? The answer is governor, but you should not get confused with the lieutenant governor and the governor part. Lieutenant governor will only come to picture only in the union territories, right? The governors will be in the northern state. So they have asked, they have asked, state is related to what? So the answer will be governor. So guys, these are the questions which I have thought and to discuss about, and then to share the knowledge, and the knowledge is everything. So to help you in a life and all in your exams. So if you have any doubts, kindly get back to us. I think we have been receiving a lot of maybe like queries and all regarding the things. So I couldn't able to catch with you guys. It was the last 1 week or something like that, more than 1 week or something like that. So we'll post continuously. We'll post the things because we are trying to give the good quality of content. So that's what it is about. So then kindly be in touch with us, and kindly do subscribe to us.